Tom's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Apple Watch Series 7, the Nike edition, now available at Visible Wireless. So Visible now is selling the Apple Watch Series 7, the Nike edition. That's available now. So there's the Apple Watch Series 7 right there. This is the Nike edition. Like I said, you guys can see it does have Nike branding there on the inside of the watch there, along with your Apple Watch logo as well. So that's pretty cool. I do like the wristband. It looks very nice. It has like a nice design to it and whatnot. It is see-through. The holes are see-through. At first I thought it was just like, white and black circles, but no, it's actually see-through, so that's pretty cool. So this is the Series 7. Of course, it has your Apple Watch face here. It has like this interesting watch face here. This is a Nike watch face, which is only exclusive to this watch. And obviously this is the Nike edition of the Series 7, so you will get Nike exclusives on here. You guys have your little wheel there to turn to get options and stuff. This is a button here. I'm guessing this is a microphone right here. So pretty nice. It's available in two colors: Starlight Aluminum and Midnight Aluminum. There, kind of like a black or dark gray color. So you have 41 millimeters or 45 millimeters. So yeah, in your watch band that comes with it is the pure platinum black Nike sport band. So there you go. It's available for $21 a month or $504 for retail price. I suggest you guys get a protection plan for your Apple Watch, because it's better to be safe than sorry. So do that, and you'll be good to go. It says here, enjoy peace of mind knowing you are covered. Not available in all states. Alright. So this is the Apple Watch Series 7. Like I said, this is the Nike edition. So you will get Nike exclusives on here. There's a little wheel there to turn it to get to different options and menus and whatnot. There's the more stuff about it here. It has more screen area. It looks taller than the Series 6. It kind of looks taller a little bit, so that's pretty nice. More crack resistant front crystal, so that's very nice. So the screen will be more tougher to crack. I'm sure that you can crack the screen, of course, but it'll have a lot better resistance to that. Music right from your wrist, so that's pretty cool. You can listen to your music from your smartwatch, so that's very nice to have. Very convenient as well. Faster charging, so that's very nice, and motivation to move. Alright, and yeah, what comes in the box is your Apple Watch thing, your watch face thing, the wristband, and your charging puck there. Alright. It says here, with Apple Watch Nike Series 7 and the built-in Nike Run Club app, you can track your workouts and listen to guided runs. Listen to music from your watch for motivation. Turn on Nike Twilight mode for enhanced visibility, and choose from exclusive Nike watch faces and bands. So this has Nike exclusive stuff on it, like a few apps, Nike watch faces, and all that. So it's pretty sweet. Digital dimensions there. I wish it wasn't inches, not millimeters. So it is what it is, guys. There's your weight there. I wish it was in pounds, not grams, but whatever. Connectivity options. It has GPS and cellular, of course. Processor is a S7 SIP with 64-bit dual-core processor, 32 gigabytes of storage, faster charge time for your battery. So you should get faster charging time on the Series 7 than you would like the Series 6. So good there. Water resistant, swim-proof, water resistance up to 50 meters. Additional features include digital crown with haptic feedback, blood oxygen sensor, electrical heart sensor, and third generation optical heart sensor, high and low heart rate notifications, irregular heart rhythm notification as well. So that's very nice. So it has a lot of health conscious stuff on here, like sensors and whatnot. So if you're trying to get healthy, or if you're trying to stay healthy and work out and track your sleep and health and all that, the Apple Watch Series 7 is the watch for you to check out. If you guys want to learn more about the Apple Watch Series 7, check out the link below, and it'll take you guys to the Apple website as well. So check it out if it does interest you. Alright, come on now. The hell. So there you guys have it. The Apple Watch Series 7, the Nike edition, is now available at Visible Wireless. So if you guys are looking to get an Apple Watch Series 7 on prepaid, Visible has you covered with that. It's available now for $21 a month or $540 for retail price. So yeah, there you guys have it. Apple Watch Series 7 Nike edition. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.